Alright guys, welcome to J&J Bowling. We're at Mid-County Lanes. Today we have Cade Williamson. We're going to do 1v1, 3-game scratch. It's your house. I'll let you go first.
He's like, what am I doing?
Great start. Great start, man. We're going to use the redemption tonight. Got a little bit inside. We're on a house pattern, by the way. Freshly oiled house pattern. Man.
Too bad the 10-pin set up. I'm thirsty.
All right, guys.
Whiff.
Whew. Not a good start.
What about cussing? All right.
Yeah, cussing's allowed.
All right.
Let's pick up.
Bye-bye.
A shot. All right, guys, we're trying to make a better shot over here. Just need to. So we're using a redemption here, so love this ball. Woo!
Oh.
I'll take it.
Of course
Not
you'll
too
take
pretty.
it.
Might have to slow it down a little bit too. I'm not getting anything on the ball. You can tell it's lazy over here. That's two. Yeah, that over here. Get some hand into it. So, Cade, what ball are you using tonight?
The 3D offset attack
Okay.
by Hammer.
Yeah, I have that one too. It's been a while since I threw it.
Yeah.
I loved it.
It's a very good ball for me when the lanes are hooking.
Okay. All right. It's a very nice ball. Like I said, I haven't used mine in a while, but
Yeah, I needed it tonight.
yep.
Oh, way to get around it, buddy. Woo, got lucky. Woo. That two-handed carry.
You guys, we need to do something.
Move left, throw it right, and pray. Your average two-hander.
This guy gets on a roll, he can get on a roll. So, just gotta
Throw a
get that
good one
right
here.
thing figured out a little bit there.
Got a guy losing his shit on 28. There you go. Good shot.
Great shot. Yeah, guys, we're in a bad little hole here. All right, see if we can get a strike over here, and then maybe we can go over, do something on the right lane then.
If he ever figures out lane 32, I'm done for.
So if you're wondering about the
Oh, it
jersey,
looks
it's
like so far it's
coworker,
striker 8.
friend,
Both of
teammate
us.
that passed away. How long ago?
Got Kayla over
wearing
here
a jersey
laughing at me.
that I made for him. Let's just throw it better over here. That's all we gotta do.
I know I'm chomping on my gum. No. Uh-oh. Got a little lucky
So a little
there.
bit better. We'll trip that 6 out. That's a special on this channel.
Ooh, that was a good one. There you go. Look at that.
He is just on.
Finally throw a fucking good shot. You actually strike. What are the odds?
Hear me, guys.
Oh, way right. Ooh, nice shot.
Just got it out a little wide there.
Gotta love house. You miss right, and no hook.
Oh, back up 2-hand. Oh,
Way to get count. Ooh, fuck.
back up 2-hand, huh?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. We can get right back in this.
I
There's some
think.
strikes here. One at a time.
Left the door wide open for him.
Ah,
We thirsty around these parts. Water. Doesn't surprise me. But yeah, you drink, you just don't eat anything.
you could have made it a little bit better, guys. Some strikes there, and we got closer.
Yeah, 2 fries, some goldfish.
Just keep it going here. That's all we can do. One frame at a time.
Oh, and it's Tuesday.
I have the burrito bowls, and then I have ice cream sandwich.
Healthy diet. No, girl dinner. Yeah,
It's light.
gotta have that.
Just stuck there, I've been good.
I'm fucking tired.
Didn't throw it good there.
Fuck being an adult. Alright. Oh, way to drop the fuck out of it. Why throw it good when you can carry?
So we got those strikes. We had that open there. It would have been.
I don't know what's heavier, this mic or my head. There you go. Oh, there goes Mr. Ninepin. Like I said, why throw it good when you can carry?
All right, guys. Gotta get it more inside. Can't be spared, I know that. Maybe, you got meter spares, but you need strikes. You hit the damn pocket.
I like torturing myself.
All right, guys. Let's just finish up strong. I'm gonna move a board, I think, to the left.
Gotta love open bowlers doing the most.
It's not what we wanted. We need strikes. All right, let's try not to chop this shit.
Alright.
Not good, guys. But one frame at a time. Try to throw better. I like that one. A little high.
Alright.
Thanks.
Let's finally throw a good one and carry. Oh, great shot, bud.
Oh.
Yep.
Wow.
We won sport. We won sport.
Leaving the door open a little bit.
Yep, nice miss. Oh, wow. We love oil.
Nice pickup. Hey guys, so even though we bowled
I love a
pretty
one
bad,
open 2-0 game.
we're still in it. I mean, down by a little bit, wish we could have did a little bit better. But